Studies show that some of the simplest lifestyle habits and choices can vastly improve both your physical and your mental well-being. Just working non-stop like a machine can wear you down. Sometimes your body or even your mind, they're both trying to talk to you, but you just don't have time to listen to it because you have other priorities in life, or you just don't understand what is it that you can do to add more cheer to your life as you continue your everyday jobs. How can you stay happy, bright, and optimistic while doing so? There are some very easy to implement habits for your mind and body that you can practice to make sure that you stay focused, fit, and fabulous. 5 very easy and surefire habits to get you on track and stay right there. I believe in keeping things simple, which is why I'm sharing only 5 tips at a time so they are easy for you to implement starting today. You can see some of my previous videos up here, or I'll also link them down below. I will be making more such videos to help you achieve a more happier and healthier you. Welcome to Blush With Me. Habit number 1, clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Overnight, as your body processes everything that was ingested that day, toxins begin to form, and these toxins are now visible as a coating on your tongue. Scraping that coating off first thing in the morning prevents that reabsorption of these toxins into your body that your body already worked very hard to expel. It is a great way to check in with your body every morning. Notice the color and thickness of this coating on your tongue. The amount can be a good indication as to whether or not your body was able to digest the food that you consumed the previous day. When you eat heavier foods such as burgers, lots of mayonnaise or processed cheese or heavy salad dressings, pizza, ice cream, nut butters, you'll notice that that coating on your tongue is much thicker the next day. Now, these toxins can cause bad breath and unhealthy cravings. Your tongue is literally like a roadmap to your entire body, with each section of your tongue that corresponds to different body organs. When we scrape the tongue, it is like giving your internal organs a gentle massage. Now, this definitely is a super simple habit for a healthy lifestyle. Tip number 2, let your bedding breathe before you make it first thing in the morning. I used to make my bed first thing as soon as I woke up, and I had taught my kids to do exactly the same thing. But I realized that when I used to go to put them to bed at night, when I pulled their blankets away, the beds had this smell that was kind of left over from the previous night. It's almost like that musty odor from damp clothes that we forget to take out from the washer in time. Ew. Sometimes we don't realize that our own body smells. So I did not realize that I was probably doing the same in my bed too. And then I decided not to make my bed as soon as I wake up. So now I let my mattress and my blanket both breathe. I open them up for about an hour or so before I make my bed in the morning. So now all those trapped smells don't ferment inside and then later on transfer onto my body the next day or even when I go to bed at night. So I smell good naturally. Who here likes to smell good? Talking about smelling good, wearing a perfume enhances your mood. It lifts your spirits and it reduces your stress and anxiety. So recently I discovered Scentbird. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service that gives you the opportunity to shop from over 600 brands. You can choose a new designer fragrance to try every month for just $16, and look at this beautiful packaging. This is how they come. Every month you get to pick what you want to receive, so there are no surprises. They have perfumes, colognes, and many unisex options. It is a flexible subscription, so you can skip any month without any penalties. Why just one? You can upgrade to receive 2 or 3 products in 1 month. Like I mentioned, there are over 600 brands to choose from, and some of these bottles of perfumes can cost anywhere between $150 to even $500 or even more. For instance, you could buy a full month supply of Amouage perfume that usually costs $345 for just $16 on Scentbird. The Harmonist is for $295, Sicily for $280. I am so lucky that I came across Scentbird. I actually explored more about Scentbird when I wanted to gift a perfume to my husband without having to step out of my house. It's kind of funny, but I also find it better than those multiple samples that are handed out to you at stores or malls that actually leave you more confused. I believe that you need to let a fragrance sit on you for some time. Just like your personal style is your identity, I have about 3 to 4 fragrances that are my signature fragrances. Imagine spending that much money and not liking a scent in the next couple of days. Take a look at this. Now that is a lot of perfume. With each fragrance, you will get a 30-day supply for just $16. So you can try out fragrances before committing to a full bottle. Scentbird works directly with top designer brands like Prada, Gucci, Versace, as well as there are independent labels like Vince Camuto, The Harbinist, and Confessions of a Rebel. And it's very simple. You can discover new fragrances by taking a simple quiz on their website. Now, based on your preference, previous purchases, and quiz answers, they will help you find the fragrance you will love. Now, this is great for people to discover new perfumes and colognes if you don't know how to pick the ones that you will ultimately fall in love with. So I got Cartier Declaration for my husband. This has a very bold citrus, very dry woods, very masculine fragrance. I know that anything with cedar wood, he will love. I love that this fragrance lasts all day long. Just spray it about 20 minutes before you're going to be around people, because it is a little strong right in the beginning. Now for myself, I got this Bulgari Omnia Pink Sapphire. I love its very festive floral fragrance. It's not too sweet. It has an essence of Firangipani, pink pepper, sparkling pink pomelo, and vanilla musk. It makes it kind of very feminine, but at the same time very strong. That's how I like to be, feminine yet strong. Then I recently got myself this Anna Sui Fantasia for this month. Now, because I like fragrances that are not completely feminine, this time I wanted to try something that has more woodsy appeal. Not too sweet. Again, with pink pepper and Himalayan cedar wood, I'm really enjoying this one. So for this Mother's Day or for my birthday, if someone asks me what they can gift me, I can be very clear about what full-size bottle of fragrance I want. As per my subscription, Anna Sui Sky and Velmo Palazzo Fizzy Mint are the 2 scents that I'm looking to try next. I cannot wait for it to arrive. I personally think that this size is also perfect for traveling, and this beautiful packaging keeps the glass bottle inside safe. Ask me because I just dropped one of these right before the shoot, but I didn't lose any product. Remember, I said it is just $16 a month. But if you are a part of Blush With Me family, then make sure to click the link below and use my code for 30% off. That is just $11 for your first month of designer fragrance. Awesome. You can download their iOS or Android app. It is very convenient to use. Make sure you click the link below. Thank you Scentbird for sponsoring this video. My suggestion for habit number 3 is to use a vibrating sonic toothbrush on your lips to get rid of dry, chapped lips. I set my toothbrush on a sensitive mode before I start working on my lips. Did you know that dry lips can directly impact your confidence in many ways? When you keep biting on them, and it is irresistible, mind you, you just can't stop that urge to bite on your dry lips, and that actually makes you look more nervous and less confident. In the long run, tugging on your lips and biting your lips will loosen the muscle elasticity of your lips, making them look more saggy. I know there are a lot of lip scrubs out there, but personally, this toothbrush hack works for me. I'm not talking about your normal toothbrush. Now, those can be very harsh. These days, most of these kind of sonic toothbrushes are designed to very gently rotate in one direction, especially on sensitive teeth mode. This not only exfoliates but also massages your lips really well. Not just your normal toothbrush. Now those can be very harsh. Now my toothbrush is from Burst Oral. You can use any sonic toothbrush, basically any battery operated toothbrush should work well. Listen to this carefully because this is a mistake that most of you are making. When you use those lip scrubs or balms that have sugar in them or that are sweet, it makes you want to lick your lips more. Licking your lips more dries them faster. The saliva will actually evaporate and make your lips drier, irritated, and also sensitive. So you will notice that your lips will get back to their dry, chapped condition very quickly, and you will find the need to reapply lip balm over and over again. More on keeping your lips soft, buttery, and pouty in another video. Let me know if you want to see that because I have some jaw-dropping facts and tips that will help your lips. In the meantime, if you're looking to naturally firm up the muscles in your lips, then you can click on my lip rejuvenation face yoga exercises package designed just for your mouth area. The set of lip exercises and massage techniques in this package are very helpful in gaining that firmness back in your lip muscles, in reducing that philtrum that increases with age, the droopiness on the sides of your mouth, and in reducing those vertical wrinkles that shrink your lips with age. Wearing under-wireless lightweight bra at home would be my next step. Now you can find any bra that passes all the tests that I'm about to mention, but I got mine about last year from Uniqlo. So this was sold as a sports bra, but it is so lightweight that I really don't think it works well as a sports bra to hold me well during a workout. So clearly I don't wear it for workouts. But what do I use it for? Firstly, it is shaped to not create that uni-boob flat look. It has this extra extended band right under the breasts, which helps avoid sweat pooling from right under your breasts. It supports your breasts and maintains the shape without any discomfort. It is seamless. Look at its straps. These are absolutely seamless, so they do not bite into your skin. You won't start noticing those bulges on your back and right under your armpits. So it looks like you're wearing nothing inside. In my this video where I had talked about how to take better care of your breasts, I had mentioned that you should try letting your breasts free from your bra for at least a few hours a day if you want to maintain their firmness. But with two boys growing up in the house, I was personally looking for something that feels like I'm not wearing anything at all, but at the same time gives me some support so I can comfortably do my chores or play with my kids comfortably. Anything that improves your life and makes you feel more comfortable so you can focus on other things to achieve more important things in life, I think it should just become a habit. Most women don't talk about bras and about the comfort of undergarments that openly. But on my channel, Blush with me, Parmita, I hope to empower you to, right, you know it by now, to become the best version of yourself and help you achieve your image goals. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, and while you are at it, please hit that like button if you have enjoyed my video so far. And for those of you who want to work with me either one-on-one or join my image coaching group sessions, then reach me at info@blushwithme.com, where my amazing team can help you. They can answer all your questions and schedule your sessions with me. You can also reach me on my website, parmitakatkar.com. For habit number 5, change your workout routine. I stopped working and I changed my workout routine from running to weight training or even using my own body weight to work out, especially with my kids. This has multiple benefits. I spend quality time with my kids, and I'm also able to influence them to make fitness a part of their life. Apart from that, when I say weight training, which could be done with or without weights, then you develop strength and muscle definition. This is far from looking skinny. What you look are strong and fit. With running, your face loses that natural fat, and not just that, it also distributes that fat all over your face unevenly, which is why people who run experience runner's face, and they tend to look more haggard and much older. This is a reason why in the last 10 years I have become an avid fan of face yoga and developed sequences of workouts for every part of your face, for your neck, for your chest, for your scalp, for your eyes, mouth, face. everywhere. Because just like your body, your face needs workout too. You can check out all my packages for eye exercises and massage techniques. Like I mentioned earlier, everything for your mouth, such as droopiness around your mouth, double chin, cheek fat, lip wrinkles, laugh lines, hanging jowls, etc. And then there is one to create more facial symmetry just with face yoga. I will be creating more such packages and you will see them in my description as and when I come up with new ones. All I need is for you to request so I know which ones are the popular in-demand topics. I get it. It is hard to break bad habits. So instead of keeping your focus on breaking bad habits, try to focus more on building new healthy habits. These small decisions will add up over time. I am Parmita Katkar. I am an image coach and I help you make such small or big decisions to empower your presence and your personality. This is my website and my email ID if you want to work with me. Right now on the screen, you can see all my social media handles where you should be following me because I regularly post some unique and interesting content everywhere. Do check out my Instagram, my Facebook fan page, my Amazon live streams. Yes, I host about one Amazon live stream every week. So follow me on Amazon too. You can join me in my live streams live, or you can even catch up on my old ones. So do follow me everywhere. Here are some things for you to write in the comments below. What is the first change in your habits you want to make after watching today's video? 2. You can let me know how much you enjoy watching my channel. 3. You can suggest a topic for a video that you want to see on Blush with me, Parmita. That's it, and you are ready to go and watch my other playlists and other videos. I will see you next week. Until then, this is Parmita signing off. Continue to blush with me.